Want to stay more organized in Microsoft Planner? In this video, I'll guide you through how to use color coding to visually manage your tasks with ease. Stick around and let's bring some clarity to your planning. Let's get started. First, go to Microsoft Planner and on the left sidebar, click My Plan. This will show you all the plans you've created or are part of. Next, click on the specific plan where you want to apply color coding. It could be a work project, a personal goal tracker, or anything in between. Then once you've opened your selected plan, click the grid option at the top to see all your tasks laid out in a clean visual format. After that, look for the label column in each row and click it. This will bring up a drop-down of available color-coded labels. Finally, choose any color that fits your organization style. You can even rename labels for different categories like urgent, in progress, or completed. And that's how to color code your tasks in Microsoft Planner. It's a simple trick that brings a big boost to your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy to follow tech tips. See you next time!